It's me, Akashic Love, and BPD Awareness. And today I'll be talking to you about the hurricane. Well, hurricanes in general. So hurricanes start usually off the continent of West Africa, right? The islands south in North America and Cuba, so the Atlantic Gulf Coast, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Hawaiian Islands get the most hurricanes. And I found that interesting because a lot of the hurricane patterns are kind of like the slave trade patterns. That's a coincidence, right? And then I was just pondering, and then I thought about the name of the hurricane. And then it came to me that the name of the hurricane is my grandmother's name. And that moment made me realize that nothing goes unpunished. Nothing goes unpaid, nothing. I was just shocked. And I just felt for all the innocent people that get caught in the middle of wickedness. And it just, seeing all those buildings underwater. These are things that didn't have to happen. The Native Americans told people not to build certain places. The colonizers built them anyways. Native Americans told them how to have controlled burns. Colonizers didn't listen. So you have so many people that over the years have been dying in wildfires. And just innocent people. They let people die like it's fun, fun Friday. Every situation could have been preventable. Just like in my other video, Afghanistan could have been preventable. I just don't. And just building cities wherever. Doesn't matter if it's a ditch. Doesn't matter if it's on a muddy hill, we're going to pave over it. And then be like, why is the pavement moving? Come on. It's so tragic. Just pray and stay blessed and always pray. It's a lot of spiritual stuff going on. I see more spiritual stuff going on than anything else, honestly, especially in terms of the floods, because they weren't supposed to build in all those places that was flooded, just because it wouldn't have made sense. We're going to build a city in the middle of a ditch. I don't understand. And then what happens when the ditch gets overflowed? But we don't think that, they don't think that far. I think that far because I'm thinking that right now, but they don't. Just pray for the leaders and the owners of this planet to get their crowns back and put everything back the way it's supposed to be. Because, the colonizers are the ones that called the elders barbaric and trivial and they still try to do it now. But where do all the best remedies come from? Why are they always traveling 5,000 miles to somewhere, climbing up some mountain, looking for some berry, trying to eat some root? Why? If there's no power in nature. If energy doesn't exist. Because that plant had to come here from somewhere, photosynthesis doesn't just happen because Nature feels like it. Biotechnology. So respect plants too, because they hear your shit. They do. I'm not even like making a joke. Plants hear things, plants feel things. They're a living organism it's a living body on the planet. It's a whole root system. You think they don't know? So sadly, I can't even say avoid them. I can't even say just be prepared, you know? Be prepared. If you get wind of a hurricane and you're in the hurricane area, the sooner the better. Even if you come back and you're like, oh my God, nothing happened. I'm happy for you. Nothing happened. That's the point. That's where we're going. Don't stay, because if you stay to wait for something to happen, that's not smart. That's not gonna help. Just don't do that, please. So, all of the victims, I pray for you, for your safety, for your well-being, for your health, for everything, because of the pandemic. And everyone, I pray for all your loved ones if they're in some kind of dire need right now. May all their needs be blessed. And I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day. Bye.